Hey guys, let's make scrunchies. We're going to need those lines. I frayed these threads to make them thinner. It's easy to shred. It just takes a little while. See the difference between a scrunchie with frayed yarn and one where the yarn remains the same length. But you can buy another, thinner thread, or use the 3 as is. Continuing. We're going to need this hair elastic and a crochet hook. Let's tie our initial knot. Now let's make some low stitches inside this elastic band. I'm not going to lie, this line is very difficult to use. I only buy it because it's cheaper for me, but my God, it's so difficult. Yeah, but if you're using good yarn, crocheting is very relaxing. I'm tired, I'll be back with everything done. And we're going to end with crochet slip stitch. Let's get to the highlights of crochet. Three initial chains. We'll have 3 high points at the same spot here where I'm showing. I'll be right back to show you how it's coming along. And I'm back to show you how it's coming along. Look, it looks like a ruffled skirt. Let's go back to making 3 treble crochet stitches in the same spot. I tried to make the video as short as possible, so please leave a like. I'll be right back. We conclude our journey of high points here. Let's now do our point half double crochet stitch. Let's make 2 chain stitches. We made half double crochet stitches in each stitch of our previous row. My white thread isn't very flexible. And that's how our super cute scrunchie turned out.